Computer, lights on.
It looks like an ordinary kitchen, but it's a sophisticated, hyper-connected laboratory designed to evaluate how dozens of smart devices will communicate with each other, like this one, and how it'll shape our future smart homes. How and to what extent is this possible, and how can European consumers benefit from the research being done here? Imagine a future home where thermostats and domestic home appliances inside are activated by mobile apps or vocal commands. All systems should be able to communicate with each other. They should also be interoperable, and that's far from simple.
Computer, set the thermostat to 24 degrees.
The heat's set to 24.
In the house of the future, we will have smart appliances. Smart appliances means smart dishwashers, smart ovens and chargers for our electric cars. All these different devices will create data and will communicate with each other, and for this to happen we will need one common language to deal with all this data and also to improve the different functions that all these machines can provide inside the smart home.
Developed by Europe's Joint Research Centre, this laboratory aims to provide the right tools to evaluate the interoperability of all these connected devices inside smart homes. The facilities have been designed to foster the adoption of a common testing methodology, and not only that.
By collecting the data from testing smart devices from different manufacturers, we will be able to create a database. And we can later use this database to find eventual problems in the standards or any issue with the appliance's performance. So we can eventually provide manufacturers with solutions and new ways to improve products.
Researchers here foresee a future where your house relies on an intelligent digital ecosystem, where virtual power plants connect with sustainable energy systems, where electric cars have intelligent batteries, where citizens produce energy as well as consuming it. So the testing lab has turned to some very particular energy storage facilities.
So we are in a large battery container, and around us you see many boxes. Each of these boxes is able to power a house. Inside the box you will find the lithium-ion batteries. As you know, there are many technologies, but in this context we have the lithium-ion. They are a bit more responsive, a bit more fast, and this is the future.
And eventually, Europeans should also benefit from research being conducted here, as scientists hope their work will contribute to create not only more innovative industry, but also an increasingly open market that can protect consumers' rights.
You should be able to go to any supermarket, buy a device, and you should be sure that this device will work with what you have in your house. And you can only do this by relying on open standards and clear information given by the manufacturer to the buyer.
Researchers here say their work will also contribute to the implementation of EU policies aimed at the digitalisation of energy consumption.